and from smuggling. So I was sharing with my colleagues the other day in Aranya Bhavan. I was sharing how the culture transformed. A hero was around 40 years back. He is someone who safeguards the forest. And now the hero is someone who cuts away the forest and who is a smuggler. This we can understand. So Gandha the Gudi is all about safeguarding, and nowadays the current cinema, of course I'm a part of the cinema also, most of the time I struggle to do such films. I said, am I sending the right message? But of course cinema is different, but the cultural shift, what happened, that was quite interesting for us. So here I would like to, though what I could not do in real life, cinema life, but I wish I'm able to do it in real life, and I'm grateful for politics. I'm grateful for people for AP for choosing me and getting me elected through Pitapuram and taking charge as a deputy CM. And all this power, whatever power I have and whatever influence I could do, it is more for an ecological balance and of course saving the Mother Earth and saving Vasudaika Kutumbam. And it is not just Earth is not just for few humans; it is for all of us. And me and Kandreji, we share the same dream and same aspirations. And the moment he started speaking, the moment he initiated the dialogue, it was so amazing to learn from him, the man of such commitment, man of highest aspirations. And we could see that our bonding beyond politics, I could connect at a personal level with Kandreji. And I would like to see in future our relationship will grow together, which would benefit both the states. Kandreji, I'm grateful to you for initiating this and supporting us. So in short, we went for a 7-point agenda. One is about red sanders smuggling. The second one is about IT initiatives, how IT initiatives are making wildlife management and forest management quite well through IT initiatives. And second is about ecotourism initiative, which Karnataka is at the forefront. And of course about wildlife poaching and how to contain it, that is one aspect. And the last one is elephant and human conflict and elephant movement tracking. And later, rest of the two was how to transfer of knowledge and constant interaction. So we, in broad, these are the 7 topics we discussed. And we're going to on 12th of this month. And also I'd like to thank Honorable Kandreji for extending the invitation for International Conference on Human-Elephant Conflict Management on August 12th. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank you one more in front of media. And I thank you for this. As I have a meeting on 12th, I have a review meeting with the Honorable CM, Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu. And if he could, I'll seek his, to excuse me from that meeting. If that he could give me that extension, if he could relieve me from that meeting, definitely I'll be there on 12th, sir. I would like to bring it to your notice. I will be there. And I'll request Honorable CM to consider that part. Because the last 2 meetings we had been cancelling it. That's why it has become that first meeting I could have conveyed it. Because third meetings I'll seek his permission. It's especially about my own department, PR department, Panchayat Raj department. So if any chance is there, definitely I'll be there. And personally, we both can, Honorable Kandreji and me will come with a MOU. I think officials would do the MOU. And if not, I'll send our respected colleagues and team, and they'll come and they'll take forward the initiative. And one more time, I'm grateful to you for sharing the knowledge, and especially about red sanders, the way it is about Andhra red sanders, Rakta Chandanam. Almost around 140 crores worth of red sanders were seized in Karnataka. This was a news for me, and it was amazing. And they could have withheld it, but with such a great heart, Karnataka forest officials, they said it very openly, we seized your red sanders in Karnataka, which is worth of 140 crores and 100 crores in 2017, and in 24 it is 40 crores. And we are short of funds there in AP. We lacking funds. And it is not about what they seized, and he said it in, I think, who said this? Dikshit ji, I think. He said it in a very beautiful way. And already we have taken money from AP. So we will extend our services, our cooperation, because we have taken that wealth and we are more than willing to do it. And that made me quite inspiring and quite grateful for saying those words, which there was no need. Even you could have kept quiet in this meeting, I think you would have never got to know. But I truly appreciate the honesty of forest officials here, and I'm grateful to you. And I'm quite grateful to Honorable Shri Ishwar Khandreji, and thank you, sir. And I look forward to strengthen our relationship, irrespective of which government, which party we come from. And after all, we are all from one nation. Yeah. We share the common culture, we share the common lipi. And I'm extremely grateful to you, sir. And looking forward, not just about forest, it's all about all aspects of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh relationships. An Honorable Minister brought to my notice, as is from Bidar. So a lot of devotees come to Srisailam on walk, on barefoot, and they were asking me, and Honorable Minister conveyed to me about Srisailam, there should be some kind of renewal about
renewal of land.
Renewal of land. Yeah, definitely, I'll take it forward to our cabinet, sir. We'll take it forward, and also about Tirumala also, Tirupati also. And though Tirupati and Srisailam, though it might be in Andhra, it belongs to the entire India. We are extremely committed to it. We'll extend the fullest, whatever the possible support is needed, we'll take it forward, and I'll convey it to the Honorable CM Sri Chandrababu Garu and also to the cabinet. So I'll take it forward.
Thank you.
And I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Honorable CM Sri Siddaramaiah Garu. And before I came to this meeting, I went to Sri Siddaramaiah Garu's house. I sought his support. I conveyed my heartfelt thanks to him. And he also very positively responded. Whatever is needed, we will do it from our side. We will extend the full support, and I would like to thank him. And also Deputy CM Sri, though I haven't met him yet, DK Shivkumar ji also, my heartfelt acknowledgements and thanks to him, my greetings to him, my namaskars to him. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir,
I'm sorry?
అంటే మనకు కనిపిస్తుంటే చూసారా, అది ఒక నమ్మకం కూడా కాదు, అది నమ్మకం అనాలా, అది ఏమనాలో నాకు తెలియదు. కానీ నాకెందుకో సినిమా వస్తున్న విధానం మీ అందరికీ చాలా నచ్చి, నేను ఎక్కువ చెప్పను, తగ్గేదేలే అది ఇది కాదు, డిసెంబర్ 6న అస్సలు తగ్గేదేలే, ఇది మాత్రం ఫిక్స్. మీ అందరికీ తప్పకుండా, మీ అందరికీ ఎస్పెషలీ, సరే ప్రేక్షకులు చెప్పాలి సినిమా ఎలా ఉంది ఏంటి అనేది. నేను కేవలం ఈ మాట ఓన్లీ కేవలం నా ఫ్యాన్స్, మై డియర్ ఆర్మీ, ఓన్లీ మీకే చెప్తున్నా. నేను ఇది పబ్లిక్ చెప్పట్లేదు, కేవలం మీకు చెప్తున్నా. నా బంగారం అంతే, అలా షోల్డర్ కొట్టి లోపల రా. అంట మా డైరెక్టర్ గారు చూడు, అస్సలు తగ్గేదేలే అని సరిగ్గా చూపాను అంటున్నారు. ఒక్క నిమిషం.
అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు
చూసారు ఎంత చెక్కుతున్నాడు. ఇదే కాదు, సినిమా కూడా ఇలాగే చెక్కుతున్నారు. సుకుమార్ గారు ఒకసారి పైకి రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఇందాక నేను ఎక్కువ చెప్పను సినిమా గురించి, ఏది ఏంటని మీరు చూడాలి. బట్ ఎలా ఉన్నా మీకు నచ్చుద్ది కాబట్టి, నా ఫ్యాన్స్ మరొకటి చెప్తున్నా, ఎలా ఉన్నా మీకు నచ్చుద్ది కాబట్టి నా బంగారం, ఈ సినిమా మాత్రం మీకు అంకితం. బంగారం, ఈ సినిమా మాత్రం మీకు అంకితం.
Sun, celebrating 20 years of excellence in education. Come, join us.